not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that.
Man, welcome to the Rundown, man. This your host Apollo, man, and this is the first episode of the Rundown, man. How y'all doing today, man? Let's make another round of applause for man. What's good, man? So look, check this out. This is the Rundown, man. Well, this is your sports center for the market, man, for the traders out here, man. I felt like that we ain't have a show that was dedicated for the traders to know what's going on, you know what I'm saying? So this is why I come in there, and then this is where we run down what's happening for the week, and we looking at the current setups we got cooking up. You feel me? Now, if you new here, this your first time, welcome. You know what I'm saying? One more time, man. Let's go, man. Let's turn it up in here, man. You know what I'm saying? So what's good, man? Drop a like, comment. Let me know where you watching from. You know what I'm saying? With that being due, we finna get right into it. Let's go. Gonna get right into it, man. Hope y'all enjoying y'all Sunday, man. We had some little technical difficulties coming on today, but man, that did not stop nothing, man. I said today, man. We're gonna drop the episode today, man. So that's what happened. We getting right into it, man. So as you can see, yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? This your sports center for the week, man, for my traders out here, man. So we're gonna get into it for this week. So the first thing we're gonna get over is to the news for the week, man, for the forex, for my forex traders out here. I trade forex predominantly. We trade crypto, we trade options, we trade futures, we do everything. So, but me predominantly, my bread and butter is forex. So we're gonna start with that first. We're gonna get right into it. So this week, this is what we got cooking up for the week. We got red folders, we got Europe news, pound news at 4:30 Monday. We also got 8:45 USD news. Flash manufacturing PMI. I think that should be okay. We should probably get some good movement Monday. Tuesday, we don't really have no red folders. We just got some orange folders, consumer confidence. I think that usually do some new home sales. Then for Wednesday, we got GBP, the pound, the CPI. We got durable goods. And Thursday, we got GDP. That's gross domestic product. So if y'all don't know, this y'all first time tapping in or even seeing this screen right here, this is called Forex Factory. So I'm here to drop gems and give you the game as well, man. You know, everybody needs that. So if you new, advanced, if you ain't never heard of Forex Factory, this is a website that shows you the current economic news that's going on with Forex. So this is what I like to look at the first thing before I get into anything to see what's going on, what news we have for the week. So I predominantly do red and red and orange folders. So you can go to the settings up here. You can click red and orange. You can click yellow, but I don't really pay too much mind to the yellow and gray folders. I just predominantly do red and orange. And I keep all the news effects and do it like that. So if you want yours to look just like mine, that's how you do that. Then if you want to go to a specific week, you just click the date. You could do a whole week. You could look at 2 days, 3 days, or whatnot. So that's what y'all to check on. But it seems like it's going to be a good week. So we got a couple of red folders starting off the week. And then we're going to get back into it by the middle of the week, the middle half of the week, what I call it. So for me, I consider the first half Sunday through Tuesday. Then the second half is Wednesday through Friday for the week. All right, we're finna get into the next thing, we're gonna see what's cooking up on FX Street. So this is a website that I use for Forex, which is showing you like conditions of what's going on, what they see for certain periods. For example, right now, the euro dollar, they saying the US dollar corrects oversold conditions. You know what I'm saying? And it's kind of remaining the same, but they letting you know that they feel like they bearish on euro USD. And then they give you more news concerning like forex news specifically. You know, gold, if you've been trading gold, my people in gold know that it's been running pretty hard. It done cracked a new high at 3,000 something. Like, I think it topped at 3,013. Then you can look at the week, the month, the quarter. It'll tell you all that. So, you know, if you want to check this out, if you new, this is fxstreet.com, where you get you some forex news and you can look at analysis, the calendar. It got crypto as well on here too. So this is another good website that I use to check out to see if I'm missing anything, just to see what else going on, because they talk about crypto as well. You see how they're talking about Bitcoin stable around. It's been ranging from like 85 to 80,000 for real. So you see they mentioning that now too. So, yo, as I see for right now, it ain't nothing too crazy going on as far as FX Street, but it just, I like to tap in to see what's going on to make sure I'm not missing nothing. So that's why I tap into that. All right, let's get it. Let's keep it moving. So right now we got the fear and greed index. So if you never seen this before, this is a news sentiment for people who trade stocks, but also want to know the sentiment of investors, whether if the market is fearful or neutral, or if it's greed or extremely greedy. Right now we're in extreme fear, and a lot of people would advise you to when we're in extreme markets like this, people usually don't buy. And that's what I'm here to tell you now. Like right now, from my own experience, when we in extreme fear, this is the time to be buying and to be bold. You know, I think I heard Warren Buffett say, buy when the markets are bleeding. And this means it's bleeding, it's red, it's fearful. Then you want to sell once we in extreme greed. That's when you want to sell off and take profits and stuff like that. But, you know, do your own research. Everything works different for everybody. You got to find out what works for you, you know. But this is just sentiment to give you an emotion right now, what's driving the market. People are fearful right now because everything been selling. The stock market down, the US 30, NAS, S&P 500. We're going to get into that once I get into the rundown on the pairs. But this gives you the sentiment emotion, the emotions, what's going on. Then you can see a week ago we was in extreme fear. A month ago we was in extreme fear. Another year ago we was greedy. The market was in a completely different state a year ago. So as you can see right here, the S&P 500 is 125 moving average. Like it done broke below and it's been falling. So right now, people kind of really fearful. So like they said right here, if it's rolling or moving average, if it's above the 125, that's a sign of positive momentum. But if it's below the average, it shows investors are getting skittish and fear. So we're right below the moving average, and you can tell we're in extreme fear. So make sure you add this to your list and check this out. That's what we here for, man. A rundown, man, to keep you informed and keep you in tune with the market, to let you know what's going on. I'm gonna give you another banger. Right now we got Yahoo Finance. All of these are free. These are free resources that you can use to help tailor to your trading to get you right. You know, your boy Apollo gonna get you right, man. So news right now we got for today. Let me refresh this, make sure that this is currently going on. All right, we got the Fed's preferred inflation gauge and tariff talk the week ahead. So you also can use Yahoo Finance to search certain pairs, stocks, options, and all type of stuff, companies, fundamental data. So this is another useful tool. So, you know, I'm just running down a couple of websites since this is the first episode to where you can get informed besides the show. You know what I mean? Your boy got you, man. Let's run it. All right, here go the next one, Market Watch. So, you know, Market Watch is another one that we use, and it gives you another more news articles that you could read about what's going on. Like, you know, they saying, like, for example, let's check this article out on crypto. It's saying why Bitcoin's plunge can have further to go despite its recent bounce. Now, I'm going to show you on my technical analysis why I support this thesis as well, because I do believe Bitcoin may dip a little bit more, but we react to the market versus trading what we think. You know what I'm saying? We trade what we see, not what we think. So, you know, we always prepared for both scenarios, and that's what this show is catered to show you the scenarios for the week of what we feel like what pair or what trade is going to go up or going to go down. You feel me? Let's go. All right, so I ain't gonna really get too much into that, but I'm gonna get into it when I show the markdown why I think it's gonna go down. But if you want to check this out, you can continue to read the rest of the article or whatnot. Hold on, let me see something. Is they charging? Well, so I take that back. I think Market Watch charges. So we're gonna erase this. Just delete, forget what I just told you about Market Watch. Cause I didn't know they charged, so we can scratch that. And this is live, so I'm not going back editing. You just seen me delete it. This live right now. We cooking up. So let's get into it. All right. So Bloomberg is another one. I'm pretty sure you can subscribe to Bloomberg, but I feel like they got some free articles. But we finna see why we on here. So I ain't gonna lead y'all wrong. Now let me see what they talking about the bird flu. Biggest wonder in albatross colonies. Let me see. Nope. So all right, we're gonna scratch Bloomberg out. So okay, but keep in mind though, if you want to take it, if you at that level where you ready to start paying for news articles, fundamental news and stuff like that, there's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just providing free sources right now, starting off. So I thought that they had free versions. I'm pretty sure it's a version of this that's free, but I might not be all the way right about that. All right, but we're gonna keep it moving. Then we got investing.com. I know this should be free. They also got an app as well. I got the app on my phone as well, investing.com, and you can see they showing you the markets, and you can check out stocks, commodities, currencies, ETFs, crypto. So, and it shows you the different ones. Like for example, in different countries, you can see Europe, like top companies and what they got, the CAC 40. Then you can go into the Middle East, where they show you they stocks, and then indices and the futures, US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. So definitely check out investing.com. I know this free, so definitely tap in with this one. Well, with that being said, we finna get into the crypto segment. All right. So keep things moving. We finna look at the top 10, 20 crypto where we sitting at for the week. Right now, we got Bitcoin sitting at 85. It's still up. Ethereum number 2. XRP number 4. We got a market cap of 140 billion, maybe trillion. No, that's billion. Yeah, 140 billion. All right, we got Solana at number 6. That's crazy. It's climbing up. We still got Binance up, Dogecoin, Cardano. I like them. Chainlink, Stellar Lumens. I like them. HBAR, AVAX, Shiba, Litecoin. Okay. And this is right now, just like I said, this is just the market cap showing you. Market cap mean how much each crypto is worth. So as you can see, Bitcoin, what it's worth, what Ethereum is worth, what Tether, XRP, it's just showing you what's going on. And this is free as well, Coin Market Cap. It shows you the same thing. And then also, I like to use crypto bubbles where it shows you the positive and the negative returns for the hour, the daily. Like the past hour, you can see who's up, who's down. The past day, you can see who's up. You can see Trump coins up right now. For the month, you can see who we got up for the month. Ain't too many people up for the month. Crypto been taking a beating since crypto been dipping. But IP is up. I don't know who that is, but you can check them out if you want to do your own research. We got Cake up for the month. Pancake Swap. Who else is up? Who this is? Tether Gold. Okay. Tether Gold is up. That's a new one. I ain't never paid attention to that. I'm going to check that out. But you can use that to see who's up for the year, who's down. XRP still up 293%, even though we dealing with this pullback. But just look at what's up for the year. XLM up 119%. I own XLM. I own XRP. I own ADA. I own, what else I got? It's a couple of them. We're going to get into that too, though. I own Shiba. That's down 50%. Wow. You down 50%, Shiba. But I think I'm still up on Shiba because of where I got in there. I've been holding that for the long term. All my crypto, I really predominantly hold for the long term. All right, let's keep it moving. All right. And right now we get into the dividend portfolio. This the freedom portfolio. For my people who don't know, we got two things we offer. We got two discords. We got the top flight trading community, which is a trading community. Then we also got the dividend guys, which is an investing community where we predominantly invest in dividends, and it's a community, a great community, which is free, and we also have an upsell. But to get into it, this is my dividend portfolio, which I call the freedom portfolio. Right now, we sitting at $877 for the year, and I'm getting monthly $73, daily $2.40. And as you can see, the goal is to get 120K worth of annual dividend income. And I'm 1% there. And the great thing about this, I'm documenting the process so y'all can see this happen in real time. So nobody could be like, oh, can you show me how you did this? Or you can start now, take the journey with me. We grinding right now. You feel me? So if you're interested in that, making passive income, this is not trading. This is actually dividend, and this is sponsored to you by the dividend guys. On one half of the dividend guys. We're gonna get into that and show you that in a little later too. But the main thing, if you want to get into creating passive income, you got the dividend guys to give you all the game and the sauce on it. We got 15 stocks that we post every month, which is called the guide list, and we rotate five every month, so you can get diverse stocks and a lot of options, so you can pick and build you a great portfolio. But if you want to know more about that, we're gonna get into that. Like I said, leave a comment in the section, and tap in or click the link or just join the Discord. We'll get into it. And right now, as you can see, my yield is sitting at 121%. And if I invest 97,000 in my current year, I'll reach my goal of 120,000. So I'm documenting this so I can show y'all the process of what it's like to dividend invest. And you know what I'm saying? And I'm actually trying to free myself. So I got a goal myself for what I'm doing. I'm trying to reach my goal within 2 to 3 years. So I really say by the end of next year. So, but we gonna see though. But for sure, 3 years top. All right, now we finna get into the rundown, man. This is what we got going on for the week, man. So, as far as Bitcoin, for my traders out there, this is the setup. This is TradingView. This is an app that you can use to mark up charts, your technical analysis. And right now, as I told you, Bitcoin's been downtrending. It's in a downtrend right now. This is the Fibonacci that I use. Is one of the strategies that I use when I'm trading. So, as you can see, we impulse down. We've been correcting. It pulled back up to like 95. And as you can tell, it's been making lower lows, like 95,000, 92,000, 84,000. We broke above the 84,000 of this previous structure, but we didn't really break high above it. As you can see, we still in the same range right here. So this is what I see with Bitcoin. If we don't break this range right here, above, it possibly can shoot up to like 87,000. If it don't break this and retest this and come down and shoot up, it probably can come back. So if it break above 87,000, we possibly can be looking for Bitcoin to come back up to retest these previous highs. And we're gonna wait to see when it gets to this level to see how the price reacts. But the setup I have, which I was telling you earlier when you seen the news article, who said that? I think I deleted it. It was one of the articles that was talking about Bitcoin. But I showed you the article a while ago. It was talking about Bitcoin could possibly dip lower, and this is what they mean, because I see that if it breaks below this 83,000 level right here, I see Bitcoin coming down to about 78,000, 79,000. And if you do the math on that, 83,000 to 78, that's a 5,000 point move. You know what I mean? And I possibly can see Bitcoin coming all the way down to these lower levels. I got alerts set right here. So, we're going to react to the market. We're going to trade what we see, not what we think, because it could play out either way. And this is what the rundown is for, to give you scenarios to help guide you on your analysis to see if you seeing the same thing. It's all about perspective, because trading can be a lonely journey. So, and this also can be a free tool for you to see what's going on and learn how to trade. So make sure you tap in. So we're going to get on to the next one, NAS 100. So out of the indices, this is how I'm going to do it. So you got US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. So what I'm gonna do is out of every week, I'm gonna do one of them. I'm gonna do like US 30, NAS, and then S&P 500, and I'm gonna rotate them. So this week I'm gonna start with NAS because I already got something cooking up with NAS. But NAS, US 30, S&P 500, they move different but got the same heartbeat. They move in the same patterns. Let me show you what I mean. You see how they broke and it's going above? You see right here? It broke and it's doing the same thing. You go to S&P 500, it's looking like the same thing. They got the same heartbeat, so they no use to going over every last one of them. I'm gonna pick one of them. Today, I'm going with NAS. I know a lot of people like to trade NAS, so let's get into it. So as like I said, the market has been downtrending. Everything from gold and commodities, the only thing that's been rising. I'm gonna get into that next. But as far as crypto and the stock market, they've been taking a hit. They've been downtrending, as you can see. Around about February the 19th, the market been selling. It's been down. So, as far as trading, my record for this year so far, I'm 14-1. If you want to tap in, want to get better with the trades, man, you always can book your consultation with Apollo, man. You can look at you can join Top Flight, or you can go on my Instagram page and hit the link, and you can book your one-on-one consultation. I do 30 minutes and 1 hour sessions. So, if you want to that's for my VIP people who want to fast track and get this trade and start getting right to the money. I encourage you to book your consultation. You know what I mean? But if you want to take the free route, which I don't mind, because when I started, I took the free route. Now this year, November would be my 3rd year trading. So, so I took the free route my first year. I ain't gonna lie to you. Everything I did was free. YouTube, articles, courses, little videos. I took the free route. But when you take the free route, it takes longer. So keep that in mind. So you got to set your own goal and how fast you feel like you want to be profitable as a trader. But let's get back into the analysis. So price has been downtrending, right? As we had a structure, we broke that and we retested. As you can see, it's holding at this level right here. So this is what we're looking at for NAS. All right. Did we on the previous candle, and I like to mark up my candles on the 4 hour. So right up under this candle, I'm gonna set an alert, because if we break below that, I'm anticipating price to come below. If we break below this candle right here, I anticipate price to keep falling down back to like 19,165. So, but I anticipate to catch the buy. So this is what we're gonna do. This is how we do this. So as you can see right now, we got a 4 hour candle right now cooking up, and I use the Haki candlestick pattern. So mine may look a little different from yours if you never seen Haki. That's what that means, candlestick pattern. So it broke up, came down, retraced, went straight to the zero, came down, retraced, and I'm anticipating that if we keeping the same momentum, more than likely we're gonna smack this level up here at 19.9, which is like almost 100 some 200 point move. But you got to set your own goals when it comes to trading. For me, my goal is, when I trade, I already know if I'm trading gold or forex, pair, or an indice, my goal is 50 points to 200 points. So for example, like right now, if I was to enter at 19, let's just say 800, if I got in for a buy, if it price came up to 2,000 or above that, I would be satisfied with that play, that trade going my way. So as soon as I go up 50 points in profit, I would bring my stop loss up, so I would be in profit to secure the win and let it play out. But back to the analysis, if price break above 19, this level up here, you can expect price to shoot up, come down, probably retest, or shoot straight up past this level up here. So this was my anticipated area where I have price coming for NAS like 2180, and as you can tell from right here, that's like 19,800 to 1. That's almost like a 300 point move. So do your own research. I always react to prices. I always react and see how everything goes. Just don't assume nothing. Just don't assume it's gonna just buy, or assume it's just gonna sell. Let the candlesticks tell the story to tell you what's happening. So we always prepare for both scenarios, to buy or to sell. All right, now let's get into gold. As you can see, gold been whooping ass. As you can see, gold's been whooping ass. Straight belt the ass. So it's been on a strong, massive uptrend since January. All year, gold been running all year, to be frank. Like, it's been on a clear uptrend. It broke, retested, came through, broke the trend line, and came all the way back up again. So I caught a trade on gold at the top right here, negative 61.8. This is one of my setups I take. I caught a sell down. I got like $13 move out of this. So that was a good trade I caught with that. So my anticipation with gold is this. So it's up trending up. So I feel like this could happen. Let me see. If gold break above this level, like this candlestick pattern up here, I can see gold continuing to buy up. It probably can crack at least from, if it breaks above this 40, we could at least take it all the way up back to the zero. I say like at 55. So this is like a good possible $10 move. This will be the first TP. And if it continues up, I say the second TP would be somewhere in this range right here. Like, I'm gonna set an alert like 75. It's more than likely gonna crack 31, but we like to take the for sure money right now. So if it break above that, we know we got a good move up to like 30.80, which is like 50 right here. That's a good $30 move that we can catch. Or even if you catch this above from like 43 to 57, that's a $10 move. If you take it up here, that'll be about 20, 30. That'll be about 40. So we got a good easy 10 to 30, $40 move set up if the buyers continue to buy. But if we end up not breaking above this level, respecting and break below, I see a price selling back down until this level right here, to this zone down here, even more to about like 29.90. I'm gonna set an alert right there, and then it possibly can come down right here to this level, these highs right here, somewhere in this zone. So I would say 29.60. So price sale, you can bet on that it's gonna at least come down here and smack this level 29.60. And if we're looking for a buy, you know, you could take this up to the 30.56. These are just analysis. Do your own research. I'm just showing you the setups that I'm seeing. So, you know, and then let me see what we got out there. All right. So yeah, that's the first episode of the week right now, man. We got for the rundown, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. You know, so you know, we here to get to it. We here to stay. Now, you know, crypto, I forgot to tell you, it moves and it stays open 24/7. So it's moving all day. That's why it's open right now. That's why it's still moving or whatnot. And you know, just to run down everything, you know, the rundown is your sports center for the week. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You got to get that work in, and I compare trading to somewhat like a sport, whether if you familiar with boxing or you familiar with basketball or whatnot. Like, you know, you got to put the work in. You know what I'm saying? Like back testing, this is what they consider back testing, like going back on the charts, you know, and looking at everything. As you can see, I've been cooking up. If you look at Bitcoin, you know, we've been cooking up. You know what I'm saying? You know, our game plan, impulse correction, get money. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, negative 61.8 reversal, drop. As you can see, we've been cooking up. As you can see, we've been cooking up. Impulse correction, get money. We've been cooking up. As you can see, impulse correction. Zero always the first TP level, because you got to take it step by step. I don't never always think that price gonna always just do that. I always react to the market, as you can see. So if you want to get in on that, you know, join the group. Now, if you want to just learn and take your time to get to it, make sure you join the Discord. We got Top Flight Trading over here, man, and we got the Dividend guys, man. You know, Top Flight Trading, this is a free community that you can use to utilize to get better, man. Join the community, learn how to trade, ask your questions. We all in there. And also, on the rundown, I'm gonna be having guests on here with y'all for y'all too, man. I'm gonna have special guests. I'm gonna have some of the gang in here with me from Top Flight Trading to come give y'all some analysis, drop the little gems on you and stuff. You know what? And I'm still figuring out where I'm gonna air this at, man. Cause right now I'm thinking about airing this on TikTok, probably YouTube, and probably in the Discord. So We just cooking up. Like I said, man, this is a show for the people, by the people, man. This for y'all, man. Like, I just wish the reason why I'm doing this, I wish I had something like that. And I noticed that it's not a trading show for traders. Like, it's not a real show. You know, you got Stock Mondays. Shout out EYL, you know, Market Mondays. That's a stock show, financial show, entrepreneur, business show. It's kind of weird around it. Shout out Trap. He got Trap Tuesdays. You know, on Tuesday, that's a stock market show. He dropping fundamentals, showing a portfolio, giving the game. Then, you know, on Sunday, as far as forex, shout out Mike Lito, shout out Jessica, which I follow both of them. Both of them being kind of like my mentors in the game when I first started. I watched both of them on YouTube. They got forex. I think Lito got a show, I think, now, Chart Sundays. I don't know if that's a show he continuing to do, but he dropped the game on the, like, he got a boot camp course going on right now. I think you should check out. It's free. I'm all about supporting and giving the game. You don't have to just learn from me. Learn from everybody who align with you. I'm going to say that again. Learn from everybody that aligns with you. Everybody may not align with you. Everybody may have a different strategy, different setups, trade on different time frames and all that. So just trade what aligns with you. That's what the best advice I'm going to give you. And we here to help now. Like, this is what it's for. So as you can see, Top Flight, this is the free investing. I meant the free trade community. It's free. You know what I mean? It don't cost you nothing. We dropping news, analysis and us. Same thing. Dividend guides, that's a free community, but we got to upsell with the guide list if you want to fast track to get better. Then I also got a fast track away from Top, well, it ain't Top Flight, but I got my own consultations where if you want to fast track and learn how to learn the sauce of how I trade, you can fast track. Like, I got 30-minute and 1-minute sessions. You know, you could book at your own will whenever you're ready. When you want to take it to the next level, you got to set your own goals as a trader and know how far you want to be, like how fast you want to be profitable. You got to just set goals. And that's the portfolio, you know.
Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you. Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you. Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you. Go ahead, do what you do, make it work for you.
Make it work for you, man. That's the theme song for the portfolio, man. The dividend guys, man, make it work for you, man. We making money in our sleep over here with the dividend guys, man. So I'm gonna keep showing that, you know. We ain't rushing that, you know. But if you want to make money in your sleep, you a trader, don't know what to do with your withdrawals, or what else? You a 9-to-5 worker, you ain't got nothing else going on, you tired of losing on your parlays, or you want to make another way where you can grow some money on the side monthly, tap in, man. It's the dividend guys, you know what I'm saying? And we're going to get to it. We're going to print money, man. I'm here to show you the game, man, whether you want to be a trader or an investor, man. I understand trading ain't for everybody, but you can learn. But investing is for everybody. You know what I mean? Add it up, man. So with that being said, man, this your host, boy. This your host, Apollo, man, and we up out of here, man. I hope y'all enjoy y'all week, man. We're going to get back to you, man. See you next weekend, man. Let's go.
You lost.
But I'm going to leave y'all out with an outro for my boy Rocco, man. Y'all have a good one.
I dedicated it.
Hold on. Like I told you, this live now. Like, this ain't recorded, but I got to drop y'all with something, though. I got to let y'all hear my boy Rocco, man. Got to let you hear Rocco, man.
Bigger the risk, the bigger the reward. Never don't know if you don't go for it. You can get rich, you can stay broke. It ain't my business, nigga, that's your choice. You can get rich, you can stay poor. More to start, choice is yours. Hey, I ain't had no choice, I was forced. Choice is yours. But now I can choose, though, you know. Choice is yours. I choose to get this money over everything, man. I wake up and at it every morning. Choice is yours. Rise and grind to that cash, nigga. What you gonna do? Barbecue or mildew? The choice is yours. You know what I'm saying? You gonna stay broke? The choice is yours. You gonna get some of this cash.